Victoria Walsh lay trapped on a hospital ventilator, fighting for her life against COVID. But something was terribly wrong. The air flowing into her lungs reeked of sulfur and burning flesh. Hospital staff checked the machine over and over. Everything looked normal. Then engineers made a horrifying discovery. The ventilator had torn tiny holes in reality itself. Victoria could see through her breathing tube into a nightmare world. Burned doctors and nurses from old plagues wandered through hellish landscapes. These demonic entities began replacing her lungs with supernatural organs that glowed bright orange on medical scans. Her blood oxygen stayed perfect, even while breathing poison air that should have killed her instantly. During her final night, multiple demons crawled out of her ventilator, wearing charred medical equipment. They whispered through sulfur-filled breath that patients on life support make perfect doorways. Their modified lungs let hell creatures enter our world through hospital intensive care units. The demons feed on suffering patients while building permanent bases in our dimension. Victoria became patient zero for an interdimensional invasion that started in the place meant to heal her.